What are greetings? This is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today I want to brainstorm about concepts, how they work, especially when you rename concepts. I still don't have it all clear. It's the article from Wikipedia about concept. The concept of concept. Yeah, I wanted to make that pun, sorry about that. So let's do some, I don't know, dummy extracts, etymology. Okay. So now I want one concept that will be called etymology. Nice. A new concept called definition. What? Concept verification root and hook has been deleted. I just created this collection. I haven't deleted anything. Okay, so right off the bat, that's something I didn't expect it to have. The root and the hook, it's not itself, it's the parent. Etymology, that's the parent actually. Now it's the parent. Root, let me select a definition. Oh, it's replacing where I am. So when I'm using the concept verification, so when I use ctrl+K, I overwrite whatever it is, and I also see that the bulb is in orange. Okay, that's one learning, unexpected learning. Now it's etymology and etymology. Okay, that's what I wanted. Let me dismiss it. Okay. What's the extract? Another learning. So when I did ctrl+K, I get rid also the component, the extract. I don't see it now. Don't worry. I will just redo the extract. Concept is root. Okay. Concept etymology. Okay. Now, if I make this clause selection, the question is, does the new item generated by the clause selection has the same concept of etymology? Let's see that. Yes, it does. Moving on. The concept definition. Okay. So now I'll be using a different approach. New folder. Let's call it definition. And now I will convert it to concept, which is the same, ctrl+K. Okay, let's see what happens. Definition. So here's no issue whatsoever. Etymology. Good. Now let's change this extract. The concept will be definition. Wording, okay. And it's just using the hook as expected. Nice. Here it is, definition. Are defined as blah blah blah. That will be the clause selection. And the clause selection is also a concept. It has not been played. I know that. That's because of this. That's not checked, the auto apply. Now let's go by the purpose of this video. That was about renaming those. So now instead of definition, I will say, I don't know, alt+T. I guess it's ctrl+T. And I'm changing the title of the element in the knowledge tree, which happens to be a concept. But I could do the same without being a concept. Alright, set of definitions. Yeah, let me put something absolutely unrelated. Bulb. Okay, so now the name is bulb. Let's see about topic. The topic has definition. And the item already has definition. So that's what I don't understand. Because if you say, yes, you can rename concepts, what I want is to always have the new name. So, okay, perhaps this could be interesting in another scenario to have the concept in the knowledge tree in a different name. So I can use my own convention, which doesn't need to be the same one that I'm using. Now the question is, which concept could be in the registry? Bulb, the renamed, or definition, the original. Since it's appearing here, my bet is on definition. Let's see what happens. Definition. Look, definition, but the root element and the hook branch. It's the bulb, it's renamed. And here it appears concept 17, the bulb. Yet, in the registry, it's not renamed. It is still the same definition. Now let's see what happens if I create another, for instance here. Concepts are mental representations. Okay, let's extract that. And now I want to set a new concept for that. And that will be, whoop, that would be definition. Let's see if it's using the hook now. It is. It went to the bulb. Now I will manually change that back to the original name. Concept definition. Now it's called definition, right? So first thing I noticed, look, the concept is no group. The other concept we did, which is etymology, it's using the root. Here I think it should be the root, but it says no group. Red flag already. But now let's do another extract. Let's go here again. Concepts are abilities. And let's go and change definition. What will happen now? Let's see. Oh, it's working again. It's still working. Okay, interesting. So now if I go to the registry, what will happen? What's your bet? It will be definition. Yet it is definition. Now it's synchronized. Now let's pretend we did nothing now, and instead of using the alt+T as before, I will be using the manual approach, and I will call that light. Let's make any other extra. Concepts are Freudian senses. I don't even know what it is, but for sake of example, I will go with the flow. And let's see what happens now. Definition. Still haven't changed the name to light. Let's see if the hook works. Yep, the hook is working. If I go to the registry, let's see, registry. Light. So it's changing the hook branch, the root element, and here the string, but not here in the registry. Is that on purpose? Is that how it's meant to be? For me, this is not renaming. For me, a personal level, what I do understand, what I do expect for renaming is not just here, this rename, but also in the registry. Because here, that's a mock example. And in my main collection, I have about 60 or 70 top concepts now. But in time, I will have most likely a few hundred concepts. So if the name of the concept does not correspond on the one in the registry, I will have hard time, because I will have to look one by one. Okay, it's etymology is, oh, here's the light. That's the one I wanted, which is in definition. And here, let me look. When you search, what will happen now if I look by light? Will I will get a definition? No, I do not. So please, if you're watching this, let me know your thoughts. How you manage the concepts in SuperMemo. What do you suggest when renaming those?